most importantly, it's the love of our customers that has brought us here. Centuries are always special. I mean, we wait for centuries for our batsman Kohli to, waiting desperately when we hit our century. It has taken us a good long time to reach 100 stores, but what I would like to, emphasize is we have grown with the love of our customers. So our starting few stores that we have done, it's more of word of mouth, patronage of our customers, and we are humbled with that. That has brought us to 100 stores. And I truly believe true love takes time but grows stronger. And the love of our customers has brought us here.
Well, it's absolutely beautiful. So may I ask you, I ask everybody this, what is your favorite jewelry?
Time to witness this moment, the influences, as well as all the audience here, your witness to our journey. Thank you.
Well, I think that's an hat-trick century now. That's what we call a special moments, right? I think the first store they did not, and then you were here with your 100th store. Okay, do you want to tell us about the different shade of pinks? Yeah, a lot of them are very excited. If you're excited and if you want to hear, make some noise! Fuchsia pink, magenta.
I think I know. Hot pink, carnation pink, old rose pink. फिर भूल गई मैं fuchsia pink था, magenta pink, hot pink, oh god. Honestly इस डायलॉग के पहले मुझे खुद नहीं पता था इतने पिंक्स थे. मेरे लिए पिंक पिंक होता है और रेड रेड होता है. But the films have taught me a lot यार. So अच्छा ही हुआ कि मैंने लड़कों को भी सिखा दिया कि अलग अलग कलर्स होते हैं.
I think उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड से उनके लिए पूरा एकदम पीस दिया होगा with all these pinks. Hey, give it a big round of applause. Come on, everybody. Let the energy keep going throughout today. Well, with that, I would like to please call upon our managing director and our visionaries of Kushal's Fashion Jewelry, ladies and gentlemen, to felicitate the gorgeous actress, our celebrity guest. Let's call upon Mr. Tansukraj Gulecha and Javeri Lal Gulecha, along with them, Rajendra Gulecha, to please come up on the stage.
आप आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे. अगर वो खुश नहीं है तो आप आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे. उसके लिए आपको एक ही चीज़ करनी है कि आपको क्रिएशन, क्वालिटी और वैल्यू ऑफ मनी उनको देनी है. प्रोडक्ट जब तक आप तीन चीज़ को मिला.
So obviously a fan of rings. You can wear them as many times as you want. So yeah, that's true.
Also, you can sit down now. Thank you. Please be seated. Okay, with that, I want to ask you, what is your impression on Kushal's Fashion Jewelry? What do you think? How is the collection?
So I picked up this particular neck piece and it was a very easy pick because it's very contemporary, yet it has diamonds, it has a sparkle of green in it, which I really like. It goes with a lot of outfits of mine. So again, that's why I like this, because I can wear it with Indian also, with Western also, and it's got diamonds. Every girl loves diamonds. Of course, an emerald. It's my Jyotishi stone, so there's an emerald in it also, which is why I picked it up in the first go.
Well, that's absolutely lovely. Can you please give her a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Alright, on that, Vishnu, thank you so much. I think those was amazing tips. If you had to give one fashion jewelry tip to the girls out there, what would you give them?
Jewelry never goes out of style. So I think, and I wouldn't say the more you have, the better. But there is honestly no limit to having the number of rings and chains and earrings. But wear something that works for you, that works for your personality, and keep it usable. Like I think wear it a couple of more times and style it differently is what I do.
See, but we also know the fact that actors don't repeat. But do you repeat your fashion jewelry?
Repeated dress right here in front of you.
Yeah? Give me
I'm
a
living the example, guys.
Yes, so that great inspirational example, and to also to the energy that says that, let's not repeat. Well, she's right here openly saying that she repeats. So a big round of applause with that energy, ladies and gentlemen. That's amazing, Michelle. I think more of you should come out with this. Alright, and just before we start off, okay, before we proceed, let's take a moment to tap on all.
Okay, ready, ma'am. Start.
Yes, start.
3, 2, 1.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಓ ಬ್ರದರ್
Lens, hold it, lens. All our lives. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And I please request Mr. Manish also to go side. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
ಏನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀಯ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬೆನ್ನೇ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ